Officially welcome all to the opening of Bbd 2025. We're looking forward to 2 weeks of career orientation, and we organize a lot of fun activities for you. We have workshops, masterclasses, company dinner, and of course the big career market.
This is the Bouwkunde Bedrijvendagen. This is the event where we bridge the gap between students and companies.
Bedrijvendagen is a good way for you to chat to companies, connect with them, and find out what future possibilities you have in the built environment.
Supporting the BBD allows us to share our expertise and meeting our future colleagues.